Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by exposing the lock cylinder assembly so you can work with clear access. Remove the inner door trim, pry the clips, remove the 3 10mm screws, and lift the panel off. Disconnect the power window switch connector so wiring won't snag. Once the panel is clear, carefully peel back the vapor/water shield. Keep it reusable. This gives you direct visual access to the lock cylinder, the retaining clip, and the linkage rods, which is necessary before any cylinder removal. With the shield out, insert the key and turn it so the cylinder's cam aligns with the release slot. This alignment is critical to free the barrel. While holding the key, remove the retaining clip or bolt that secures the cylinder. Use pliers or a small pick. Detach the actuator rod from the cam. Note its orientation for reassembly. Support the latch housing and slide the cylinder straight out of the door. This prevents bending linkage and keeps the internal latch components from shifting. You install the new cylinder by sliding it into the same orientation as the old one, making sure the cam lines up. Reattach the actuator rod and secure the retaining clip or bolt. Once seated, test the lock and unlock action with the key several times to confirm smooth rotation and correct linkage movement. This prevents having to reopen the door. If the key won't turn, check cam alignment, linkage seating, and apply a small amount of graphite lubricant to the cylinder. These usually result.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.